Hey guys, Nick here from the Friendly Creeper, and if you hadn't seen the last episode, I am so happy because I just got a hidden blade, as you can see in the bottom left corner, or bottom right corner.
Yes, of course. Well, I mean, if there is time, I would.
And we have to find the host.
Show you what I know.
And there he is. Can we parkour in this mode? No, we can't. That's good.
The lady in the crowd is always distinguished. The grandiose, quick and clean.
Who's the host? Who's the host? Which? Oh, are these real people? I don't think they are. Why does it say target? Oh, I get it now. Alright, that's pretty cool.
That's the spirit. Secrecy. The advantage of surprise cannot be overstated. That's so, especially around this line of corner.
Move between two civilians to blend in with them. That is awesome.
God blimey, that's a clever trick.
Your aerial kills are reported to include
What's the next one? What next?
Is it also possible to live
Come on, I'm ready. What you got? What you got? Sprint towards an enemy and press it.
Such a powerful strike.
What did you say about my mom?
Fascinating.
The assassins have trained you well, Duncan. You chose a perfect time to meet the
At great risk, I imagine. Betraying the assassin is never good for one's health.
Well, neither is drinking liquor, but I am drawn to its dangers all the same. And what is your business here, sir? Are you an associate of the governors,
Why
or a
can't I
pending
kill
acquaintance
him?
like myself?
gun, blade, cannons, arrows, anything that may kill a man. I am
A smuggler of sorts. And how is your wife these days, Captain Rogers? Is she here in Havana?
I trust she's well, but I wouldn't know. I've been in Madagascar some 14 months hunting pirates. It took some work to dislodge the criminals there, but we managed it. In future, I hope to use
I'm
these
glad
same
I came
tactics
here.
throughout the West Indies.
And how did you deal with that kind?
Very simply, most pirates are as ignorant as apes. I merely offered them a choice: take a pardon and return to England penniless but free men, or be hanged by the neck until dead.
Oh. I imagine Nassau would be your next target.
Very astute, Duncan, indeed.
Best of luck with that.
Oh no.
Grandmaster Torrance! Duncan Walpole has arrived.
See. You were expected 1 week ago.
Apologies, Governor. My ship was set upon by pirates. We were scuttled. I arrived only yesterday.
Unfortunate. Forgive my caution, but were you able to salvage from these
more resources than I imagined. Maybe you have more to us. It is a pleasure to meet you at last.
That hidden blade is so cool.
Come, gentlemen. We have much
I actually made a paper hidden blade. Let me just show you real quick. I love making stuff out of like paper and origami. So I made this. And it goes around your wrist and you just pull this little thing out. And it's a hidden blade. And then you can just push it back in. I think it's awesome. I'm gonna wear it with my costume. And then I also have a paper knife. And I'm probably gonna make like 2 flintlocks.
Mark and remember our purpose.
1 second.
Guide our wayward souls so they reach the quiet road. Guide our wayward desire.
And so, just a lot of cutscenes, really.
To guide our wayward minds.
I really don't get why he has that cut in his face. Like one of the hunks. Oh, he just gave him a ring?
That our work now begins. Decades ago, the council entrusted me with the task of locating...
Complete Roger's shooting charge. Pickpocket all Templars.
Our precursors once called the observatory. Look up on these images and commit them to memory. They tell a very old and important story. For 2 decades now, I have endeavored to locate this observatory, a place rumored to contain a tool of incredible utility and power. It houses a kind of...
Chimes, Roger's shooting charge.
A device that will grant us the power to locate and monitor every man and woman under whatever their location. One can imagine what it would mean to have such a power. With this device, there will be no secrets among men, no lies, trickery. Justice, pure justice. This is the observatory's price, and we must take it for our own.
Do we know its whereabouts?
We will soon. For in our custody is the one man who does, a man named Roberts, what's called...
I don't know what to do.
5 years since anyone has seen it.
Then I can't leave.
To be sure this one is authentic. We are confident he is.
The assassins will come.
Oh, finally, it's over. But another cutscene.
Thanks to Duncan and the information he has delivered,